Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to pin a post on Instagram. In case you weren't aware, there's been a few new updates on the social platform, and not all of them have gone down too well. This particular update is one that I actually quite like. Instagram is now giving you the opportunity to pin posts to the very top of your profile. I talk about the ins and outs of it all a lot more in my previous video, what happens when you pin a post on Instagram. In this video, I'm getting right to the nitty-gritty. First, I'll show you how to pin a post on Instagram. And then, just when you think I'm done, I'm going to bring you a couple of really helpful tips that you'll definitely thank me for. Let's get started. How to pin a post on Instagram. First of all, you'll need to head on over to Instagram on your phone or desktop. Then, you'll need to find the post you want to pin to the top of your profile. It must already exist on your profile/feed somewhere.
Can't I just upload a new post and then pin it?
Yes, you can absolutely do that, but there's very little point. When you upload a new post or piece of content to Instagram, it shows up right at the top of your profile anyway. Pinning posts is a great way to send traffic to new content, but it's a much better tool to send new followers and people visiting your profile to your older and best/better content. Once you've found the post you wish to pin to the top of your profile, look for those three little buttons. On my screen, they're in the top right corner, but your screen might look a little different if you're using another operating system, such as Windows or Android, or if the iPhone or Instagram gets yet another update that moves everything around. When the little menu pops up from the bottom of the screen, look for the option that says, Pin to your profile. As you've probably already guessed, this is the option that you'll want to select. When you hit the button, the screen says, Pinning, very briefly. Then, once Instagram has worked its magic, it then says, Post pinned to your profile, at the bottom. Your post has now been pinned to the top of your Instagram profile. If you now head on over to your Instagram profile page, you will see the post you have just pinned, with a little pin to show that it is a pinned post. As I talked about in What Happens When You Pin a Post on Instagram, you can pin up to 3 posts, and they will sit along the entire top line of your profile. The newest content that you upload to the platform will sit directly beneath it. Essentially, your pinned posts take over that entire top line, so you're going to want to make sure they are really good ones. Those 3 spots should be reserved for your very best content, that shows off the best of your account and what you offer. That was my first super helpful Instagram pinned post tip, but I'm going to bring you one more, because I'm nice like that. Are you ready for it? If you're struggling to pick the right posts for your 3 pinned post spots, try using this combination. Your best performing carousel post, followed by your most popular product or service, followed by your best performing reel. The last post you pin will be the very first post that people see, so make sure that one is your absolute best piece of content ever. Like, the best thing you've ever created, or the piece of content that got the most likes, comments, shares, remixes, etc. And that's how you pin a post. I think you should try it right now. Find 3 of your best posts, then pin them to the top of your Instagram profile. Your newest followers might not have seen some of your older work, so by pinning content, you can be sure they get the most from you and never miss a beat. I hope you found this video useful today, but please let me know if you have any questions, or would like to suggest another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more social media marketing and content creation tips and tricks. Have a fabulous day.